This is called a filter or flow plate assembly. It's also another term for it, I think, is accumulator. If this is happening in your accumulator, it's bad. Shit gets back in there, gets back in your dishes, especially on your top rack. And so if you have a bunch of residue or gunk on the dishes on your top rack, I'm going to show you how to replace this shit. Well, first you gotta take the old one out, but it's pretty easy. Just get in there and start unscrewing shit until you can't unscrew anything else, especially until you find this guy. Pull him out, go buy one, and we'll take it from there. Step whatever. This guy, this motherfucker, is gonna go. See that hole, that hole? The corresponding holes. Just gonna line that up in a much more smooth fashion than right now. There we go. And then you should have 3 of these other screws, which are slightly longer than the 6 other ones we had. And they just go bam. 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 And then you just screw gun that shit. Step 16A. You're gonna take this guy, the long guy, not like that little guy or any of that shit. Take this guy, you're gonna put him right in the middle with the 5 or whatever, 9 holes up. That's where the bulk of your water comes up. Then you put this little thingy on top. And just, you know, screw that shit in. And bam. Now you take this guy. This is your water sucker thingy from the water supply. Oh. And it's gonna come up and hit the second level. So, it should be something like this. Should be a little tab right there, you might be able to see it. And you're just gonna pop that right in there. Make sure it's nice and sturdy so you don't have any leaks. You got a couple little clips right here. Should go there, and I think up there. I'm gonna figure that out off camera because I don't remember where they go. Okay, we're gonna ignore those clips because I can't, I think I might have accidentally ripped them off of the back of the dishwasher the first time. If you were more gentle when removing this piece, they'll still be there, and you can just pop that thing back on there. I don't really think it's a huge deal, unless it starts making a lot of, like, clanking noises, in which case you can get, like, some super glue or something that won't melt in the heat and just kind of adhere that, you know? Anyway, next step. This thingy goes right there. So, just like that. And I have no idea what it does. Do not forget these clips. They're important so that those thingies don't roll. The wheels don't come off the track and you don't end up with your top rack full of your china all over the floor. They go. I don't know how they go. I'll figure it out though, but you should be able to too. There's a little arrow. You probably push that, like shove it back in there like that somehow. All right, thanks. Okay, these caps, they go like this. You gotta push out the little thingy. Oh shit. Wait, no. Yeah. And that'll pop that tab out. Sorry about that. And once you have it like that, you just go... Wait. No, that's not right. Yeah. Just go like so. Once it's popped open. Right in like that. And then clap it shut. And that puts that thing through there, so it won't be pushed out. Also, put the top rack in before you do that last step, because otherwise you won't be able to get the wheels on the track. So, not that I just totally did that or anything, just so you know.